Hello mga tropa. So, ngayon linggong to, nagano kami. Naggupit kasi ako ng bangs. Ngayon nangyari, hindi pantay. Hindi pantay yung bangs ko. Sabi ko, subukan kong i-shave na. So, sinave ko yung mag-isa. Pero hindi to, nakalimutan kong natanggal ko pala yung filter. Napalaki tuloy. So, natanggal ko kasi yung filter. Inabot ko kay mami, kay bebe. Pag ganun niya, nagkaroon dito ng malaking hiwa. Nagkapoknat niya. Kaya yan na. Ginawa na lang mahaba na design. Buti nga hindi ginawa dito. So, ayan, yun yung kinalabasan. Medyo naman, mukhang maangas naman, no? Angas ba? Mga abnormal lang. Ay, di ba haba din yan. Sama, no? Ayun lang, guys. Mamaya, tanungin natin si Bade kung ano masasabi dito sa nagagawa namin buhok. I-order tayo dito, guys, mga tropa, sa Burger King. Tignan natin kung ano yung masarap na bilhin dito. Nang may maiuwi naman sa bahay. Alright. Hi guys. Hi guys!
So, ayan. So, for today, magmerienda tayo ng Burger King. Basta Burger King. Ayan. So,
Ito yung
let's
soft
open
drinks
this.
niya. We have 4 soft drinks. This is the King
Feast.
Fist.
Yeah, I remembered. King Feast. So, it includes
Fries.
fries. Twister fries.
And I have one, please.
Oh,
This is
Twister
two pala.
fries. Two twister fries.
Two fries.
2 French fries. Regular.
Regular fries. Ching.
Look, kumain na si Ashley. There you go. Tapos,
And then,
twister.
what's this?
Or
Nuggets.
chicken nuggets. So, there's a lot of chicken nuggets, guys. So, sobrang, I think, it is sulit eh. Ayan. Tada! Dami.
Cheeseburger. Dalawang cheeseburger. Tsaka, dalawang
Junior Whopper.
Junior Whopper.
Yeah.
Wow.
done. I don't
So,
like
yan.
I taste it so much.
You don't like it?
So,
Onion rings.
Onion rings pa
Onion
yun.
rings pala. So, this is only for...
$4.99.
Ano nakita ayun?
So, ayun guys, yung dalawa kasi share namin kila Mamita and Tita Dayan and Charmaine. So, I have 2 here.
Ito na yung meron.
And this one. This one. Okay. How about nuggets?
yeah, no, I don't like.
Ito na lang muna siguro. Later na. Alright guys, I'll be back. Kakain kami after ha. Share lang namin. Kain tayo!
Hatiin natin yung burger para...
Ayun.
So, hinahati natin yung burger.
No,
Tatry.
ayoko.
Tatry lang.
Ito mo lang makita. Okay, hating kapatid!
This is the sauce. Sauce nung chicken nuggets. Yung mga french fries.
Okay, let's eat! Ano ba pag-uusapan natin? Yung buhok mo.
Green. Green.
You want?
Green.
You like it?
You want Tropicana? Wait guys, I'll get her orange.
Ayaw mo? Ayaw mo? Okay. Hindi po siya umiinom ng soft.
Here's your orange juice.
Yay!
Yan, let's try this one. This is the Junior Whopper.
Now I'm gonna try the cheese. The cheeseburger.
I'm gonna try this one.
You wanna try?
Mm-hmm.
Burger?
No.
You just wanna try the fries.
Mm-hmm.
You like this?
Mm.
You don't like onion rings?
You like?
Mm.
Ah,
Eh? Onion rings. And we're doing mukbang.
galit-galit lang.
Mukbang galit-galit. Okay.
Kakain.
Mm.
Cheers.
Onion rings.
Cheers. Hindi, luto ka.
Tignan na natin.
Ayan na, so, kakain na tayo.
Mm.
Yan.
Parang medyo ba yung fries ng burger? No? Tama ba ako? Yung fries ng Burger King, yung malalaki yung diba? O hindi Burger King yun?
Hindi.
Hindi. Yung parang yung Burger King, yung parang may naiiwang balat-balat. Diba? Parang na siyang makro.
Wendy's yun.
Yes, Nona.
Favorite niya french fries. Bukod sa nilaga, isa sa mga trick niya ay french fries. Makain naman siya ng gulay, tsaka fish.
Very good.
What's your favorite gulay, Ashley?
Nilaga.
Gulay, nilaga is? What are the gulay in nilaga?
Kalabasa.
Sa sayote, like sayote.
Malunggay.
Malunggay na.
You like malunggay? Ano? Yung hinihimay-ma, yung bigay na maliliit.
Yan.
Malunggay.
Yung nagagalan mo.
Yung hinihimay-ma. Na kulay green na maliliit na dahon.
Anong dahon?
Wow.
Excuse me.
Hmm. There's fish.
So, bakit kami nasa kwarto? Wala lang.
Liligpit pa sa kitchen.
Ano?
May table naman. Nothing in it. Daddy, oh.
Hmm.
That's yours.
Ubus ko na yung ano,
Tawag siya yung friend.
yung half. Ubus mo yung fries?
Oh my gosh. Kaya na.
Ubus na yung fries niya, Ash. Onion rings you like? Now I'm gonna try the Junior Whopper na hinati namin. So, tingin.
Okay.
Ano siya?
Mami, pwede ko pa yung sausaw dito? Opo. Konti. Konti. Super spicy.
No, it's not spicy. Is it your first time mag-sausaw? Dito? Barbecue sauce? How does it taste?
That's not good.
No Whopper.
Not good daw si barbecue sauce.
It's spicy.
Spicy?
It's the barbecue sauce. It's spicy. Super duper spicy.
Medyo nga.
See, it's spicy.
Mm.
Yum, yum.
So, ayan. Actually, kanina, si
It's
Ash,
super spicy.
Okay ka.
Gusto ko pa french fries.
nga na eh.
And meron pa ba doon? Mama, this is the last french fries. But I'm still hungry.
You have to try
The burger.
burger. You should try
But
it.
I like the cheeseburger.
That's the
That's
cheeseburger.
a cheeseburger.
Ito, yun eh. May cheese.
Look at sa likod. Ito sa likod. That's the cheese.
Fine.
You like it?
Mommy, I'm done. This is yours already. I finished all my...
Okay. Cheers. Popcorn na. Do you like this one?
Okay. Crunchy.
Crunchy. So si Ash po hindi masyadong kumakain ng anong tawag dito? Fast food na mga burgers and ganito.
Nugget.
French fries lang talaga. No?
A chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken joy. That's the
Chicken
chicken.
joy.
You like it?
But this one, do you like this nuggets? No din. Ba't mo kayo nakain?
I'm done.
Sarap lang. Ayaw niya. Pero masarap daw. Ay, sige lang. Ubus na.
So, itong meal na to, super sulit siya. Kasi 499. And you have four burgers. Tapos, may nuggets ka. May dalawa kang fries. Tapos, may dalawang onion rings. Masarap. Masarap siya.
Sarap.
May apat din siya na drinks.
Hindi na kaya. Hindi ko pwede magmukbang.
Daddy, do you like more?
You guys should eat more so that you get bigger like daddy. Look, oh.
Wow. Good job. Uhaw-ano.
I'm full. I can't do it anymore.
Naubos na yung orange juice.
Don't lie down after eating. Yan mo. Sit down.
I can't do it.
Just may try.
No, no.
No, talaga.
Ayun yung soft drinks.
Hindi pwede sa
Sige mo lang naman. And that's it for today's mukbang. Ayun lang to. So, wala masyadong kwentuhan. Galit-galit lang. Typical na kumakain ng merienda. Ano? Galit-galit effect.
Bye guys!
Bye!